Hey everybody, Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles. Thanks for tuning back into the Underground Garage and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're here for the first time, welcome for the first time. I want to thank everybody as always for likes, subscriptions, comments, views. Keep them coming, we enjoy them. I want to start a new segment here on the channel. It's going to be called Tech Tips. And I'm going to apply all these tech tips that I do to a playlist that you can just go to and look to see if there's anything that concerns your issue, your problem that you're having. It's going to have to do with restoring, maintaining, repairing, or customizing your bike. Things I've run into down the, through the years, doing things to different bikes that I've done. Hopefully they'll help you out if you come across that same problem. All right, here's today's tech tip of the day, and I will see you all soon. Peace out. All right, everybody. We've got everything hooked back up. We're going to test to see if we have spark in a second here, but one thing I want to do before we test for spark is I want to polarize this generator. Now, down here is your generator, this round thing here. You have two studs coming off of it. One is marked A, one is marked F. You want to polarize your generator, you want to hook a wire to the positive on your battery. You want to come down here to the A terminal on your generator and make sure it's the A terminal, because the F1 means you're frogged. That's how you remember. A is all right, F, you're frogged. So what you do is you come down here and you just take this wire and you just tap it on there till you get a spark. There you go. That's all you have to do. There's nothing more to it than that. Unhook your wire here off your battery. Boom, your generator is polarized, and now you know that your charging system is going to work the way it should. Okay, everybody. As always, I want to invite everybody to subscribe, like, ring the bell, get notifications when we're putting up our next video, join the Underground Army, and as always, live life behind bars. Peace.